not with a fox. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam. I am. Would you with a goat? I could not with a goat.
Oh.
Sophie!
Here's your toy, baby. Here's your toy.
Could you on a boat?
She's getting tired, I think.
I would not on a video. I will not.
I saw her putting her thumb in her mouth.
With a goat. I will not eat
Hello.
them in the rain.
Hello, Sophie.
I will not eat them on a train. I will not eat them in the dark. Not in a tree.
Sophie.
Not in a car.
Eat the butterfly, not my finger.
I do not like them.
Are you
I will
gonna
not
eat
eat
your
them
head?
in a box. I do not like them with a box. I will not eat them in a house.
It's
I
okay.
do not like them with a house. And not I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. Okay. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them somewhere. I can tell because they're
The butterfly.
You do not like them. So you say, try them, and you may. Try them. You may, and you may. I see